Welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial video is about mini album for beginners. The mini album measures 4 by 5 inches. Let's start with the tutorial. I have taken 4 by 5 inches 2 cardstocks and 2.5 by 5 inches 1 cardstock. And the blue cardstock measures 14.5 by 9 inches. Let's place the cardstocks on the blue cardstock. I have taken double-sided tissue tape to stick it. So let's start sticking it. Keep little space while sticking the center part for binding. When we will fold it, so it will be folded perfectly. Repeat the same with the last cardstock. You can take a stick while sticking the last part for keeping the space between the binding part. So we have finished sticking the base part. So let's start folding it. And we will trim the edges for gluing the base of album. Now we'll take tissue tape and start sticking it. Be careful while sticking it because it shouldn't come out. We will repeat the same process with the other edges. Our base is ready, so we'll fold it. As you can see, we have completed the base of the album. So we will be covering the front part of the album For the blue cardstock, it measures 10.5 by 5 inches, and we will glue the blue cardstock on the base of the album. Now we will take 13 by 12 centimeters cardstock for the binding part of the album. Now we will score at 1 centimeter. Till 12 centimeters. As you can see, we have scored 12 lines on our cardstock. So let's start folding it. First, leave 1 centimeter and then fold 2 centimeter together to make a zigzag. Then again, leave 1 centimeter and fold 2 centimeter together. Repeat the same process for the whole cardstock. For the binding, our binding part is ready. As you can see, it is zigzag and 1 centimeter left in each and every side. Now we will take 5 by 12 centimeters cardstock and we will glue the 1 centimeter left part on the cardstock. We will use Fevicol for gluing the part on the cardstock, so it will stay for longer time. It won't come easily. As you can see, I'm spreading the glue with the help of that small spoon, because Fevicol glue is water based. If we apply more quantity of glue, so the cramps will come on your paper and it won't look good and it won't give a perfect finish to your project. I'm using paper clips to secure the glued part on the cardstock, so it won't come out. It will be steady on the cardstock. Now repeat the same process for the whole cardstock. is done. So as we can see, 1 centimeter is extra on our cardstock, so we will trim that 1 centimeter. Now our base part is ready. As you can see, I have made 4 binding parts for 4 pages, but I will show you one trick how to attach more pages to that album. As you can see, I have taken the binding part. Now I'll take tweezer scissor and cut the 2 centimeter binding part and make it into 1 centimeter. It's like 1 centimeter separate and 1 centimeter separate. So it will help you to attach more pages. As you can see, we have made 4 binding parts for 4 pages. But by cutting this, we will be able to add 4 more extra pages. It's quite difficult to cut, but with the help of tweezer scissor or a cutter which is small, which has small blade, you can cut it easily. You can see 2 separate 1 centimeter parts. So repeat the same process with the other 3 binding parts. I'm done cutting all the 4 binding parts. So now let's stick it on the center part of the album to complete the mini album. Our mini album is ready. This mini album can hold up to 8 pages, and the craft which you will be doing, it will be fun doing because you will be having extra pages in this mini album which will help you to craft.